we're gonna look at how I transformed this 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment from the ugly duckling it was to something everybody's gonna wanna book. First step, find some inspiration photos. This 1-bedroom upstairs unit needed a bunch of help. As soon as you walked into the front door, the brown carpet and linoleum dated the place immediately. All of the windows had metal cheap blinds on them, the kitchen cabinetry barely closed, the countertops were made of Formica, and the appliances were all mismatched with 2 tones of black and white. The gunmetal gray color on the wall made the place just seem heavy. And the bathroom, oh, the bathroom. Not only did it look like a chess game since some of the original green wall tiles had been replaced with white ones over the years as they cracked and broke, but it was also green. Nothing says outdated more than green, pink, and baby blue and yellow tiles. So we started to brainstorm and get some ideas from inspirational photos again. We wanted painted dark doors, light colored walls, some sort of cedar and wood element to be present in the kitchen or the bathroom, and all the faucets, lighting, and hardware to be stylish with a design flair in mind. And we wanted the kitchen cabinets to be white shaker style, but against high-end stainless steel appliances. But I think the one thing that really helps this apartment pop is the attention to the walls. To tie the whole place together, gonna give you a little designer secret, is to keep a few elements consistent throughout. So we decided we'd install shiplap in the bathrooms and the kitchen on the walls for the wood element, hand-printed European floor tiles for an artsy look, and then a custom wall design for a 3D element behind the bed. This was just so the future guests would say, wow, when they walked in the room and would maybe want to Instagram it. So this is the apartment. You'll notice the dark doors throughout, dark faux wooden blinds, nice wooden floors. When I was telling you guys about matching elements in the apartment in such a small space, we matched the floors in the kitchen with the floors in the bathrooms. And we brought in 2 different elements. One, the cedar wood, just a small piece in here. And then also we matched the shiplap with shiplap in the bathroom. It really equaled out and they just complemented each other perfectly. Also, you'll notice high-end countertops, high-end counters, and all of our appliances, high-end appliances. Don't go cheap. You'll notice the mirrors behind me. We put those on. This used to be a terrible, dark-looking, ugly closet door. The mirrors made it look about a football field bigger in here. On this wall in particular, we had a window that we really couldn't put art on the wall, so we decided to make the wall itself the art. We framed out, trimmed the whole thing in 1x2s, painted it, I believe it was a blue hail is the name of the color, and it's the same color to match all the doors in this apartment. Here in the bathroom now, I just wanted to point out the floors that were just like the kitchen, and also the shiplap, which is made more like a wainscoting in here, matches what we have in the kitchen. Oh, mission accomplished. I hope you guys walked away with a few nuggets today, and I want you to know how rewarding it is to walk away from something like this that you complete and it's what your vision was.